Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export an app created with Xcode and then install it into your devices without a developer account. The first thing we need to do is to close Xcode and then go into Option and find the app into Finder. Right click on the app icon and choose this one here. Then select Contents, select Developer, select Platform, iPhone OS Simulator, Developer, SDK, this one, and then open this with Xcode. Okay, now open this and then check if this line here, code singing required, is set to no. Okay. Close all and then launch Xcode. Create a new project or open an existing project. So now I'm gonna to open a new project, and the really important thing is to get a theme. So for example, I have this one here. So check this, automatically manage singing. Okay, so now we need to put something into our app. Then you need, when you finish your app and you test it, you need to select generic iOS device. Then choose archive. Okay, now right click on your archive and show in Finder. Right click on your file, product, application, and then this is our application. Drag and drop in your desktop, close all, and then you have your application. Now you need to create a new folder named payload. Put your app into, then compress your app. Now rename your file with the name of your app, for example test youtube.ipa, so like this, and then use it. Okay, so this is your package with your app. If you want to install your app into your device, you need to install Impactor. I give you the link down below, and connect your device, trust your device. So drag and drop the app into Cydia Impactor, log in with your Apple ID. I personally choose a different Apple ID, not my personal, but another one created for this scope. So now the app is installed on our iOS device, so we need to trust this device. Go into Settings and Device Management and Trust, and then we have our app available. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Give me a thumbs up if you want to support me, and see you in the next video.